Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to share with you. We are introducing Google's latest AI model, Gemini 1.5. This new model takes a giant leap forward in performance and long context understanding across multiple types of data. Let's dive in and see what makes Gemini 1.5 so special. Last week, we rolled out Gemini 1.0 Ultra, making Google products even more helpful. Now, developers and cloud customers can start building with it using Google Gemini API in AI Studio and Vertex AI. But today, we are taking it a step further with Gemini 1.5. Enhanced performance. First up, performance. Gemini 1.5 is designed to process information faster and more efficiently. Whether it's text, images, or audio, this model handles everything with incredible speed and accuracy. Look at the comparisons. Gemini 1.5 outperforms older models, processing complex tasks much quicker. This means better and faster results for you. Long context understanding. Now, let's talk about long context understanding. This is where Gemini 1.5 really shines. Traditional AI models often struggle to keep track of long pieces of information. But Gemini 1.5 can understand and remember much more information at once. Imagine reading a long report and asking the AI to summarize it. Older models might miss important details or lose track of the context, but not Gemini 1.5. It can handle up to 1 million tokens of information consistently, the longest context window any large-scale model has ever achieved. Mixture of experts architecture. How does it do this? Gemini 1.5 uses a mixture of experts architecture. Instead of working as one large network, it uses smaller, specialized networks called experts. These experts only activate when needed, making the model much more efficient. This specialized approach means Gemini 1.5 learns and performs complex tasks more efficiently, saving on computational power and improving speed. Practical applications. So, what can you do with Gemini 1.5? Let's look at some practical applications. It can process up to 1 hour of video, 11 hours of audio, huge code bases, or entire books in one go. This makes it perfect for developers, researchers, and businesses. For example, it can analyze and summarize a 402-page document or reason about details in a 44-minute silent movie. It even helps with coding by understanding and suggesting improvements for large blocks of code. Extensive testing and safety. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. We've put Gemini 1.5 through extensive ethics and safety testing. We are committed to making sure our AI is safe and reliable for everyone. Google tested it for potential risks and continuously improve its safety based on these findings. We are also offering a limited preview to developers and enterprise customers to get their feedback and further refine the model. Excited to try Gemini 1.5? Developers can sign up for a preview in AI Studio, and enterprise customers can contact their Vertex AI account team. We can't wait to see what you'll create with Gemini 1.5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in AI technology. See you next time.
Or just generate an image of a cat playing guitar.